Good morning. This is Robin with Roaming with Rover. How are you guys today? We've got some unboxings going on. Look what came. The Knitcrate box. So excited. These are beautiful. They have wonderful, wonderful yarns at Knitcrate. And they have a pretty reasonable monthly subscription. So this one is the Knit and Crochet Anything Goes monthly club. It's $29.99 a month, and then with the shipping it comes out to $37.94 with shipping and tax and everything. $37.94. So let's see what we got for $37.94. Got the beautiful box. The boxes, even just the boxes, are nice. Knitcrate on there. I popped the seal just so we can see what's going on. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna let you guys see before me. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Is it pretty? Is it pretty? Let's see. Ooh, look at that blue. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Land and sea is the theme this month. There's magic between these great lichen and moss-coated trees. Follow the path to the hidden getaway deep in the forest. That's pretty. Look at those colors. Oh, and then we got the postcard with the pattern designs. Last month it was all done in dark colors. You couldn't see the design, but this month it's really pretty. Now, I have to say, I was a little bit disappointed because you didn't get the actual pattern in the box. But when I went in and did this little thing on my phone, the pattern popped right up, and it gave me the option of downloading it to my Ravelry account. I love tracking my patterns in the Ravelry account. It's my favorite place to store patterns. So now I'm happy about this. So this month it looks like we've got a scarf, shawl, and sock choices if you're into sock things. They give you a knit, and I think that's the crochet, that's the knit, that's the crochet, that's the knit on the socks and on the scarf. Okay, pretty paper. Oh, wow, look at, ooh, it's got a spongy feel to it. It's very soft, but not like normally like you would think of soft. Is it a chain spun? It is. Let's see if I can get one of those out here. Can you see that? It's there. Now you can see it's chain spun. It is chain spun, and that's what's giving it that spongy kind of feel. This is really nice. It's very soft, very, very scarfable. Not itchy at all on your neck. Vadalena Ascendance. Vadalena Ascendance. Vivid blue. Boy, that is vivid blue. I like that. 100% Peruvian Highland wool, sports weight. 328 yards or 300 meters, 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Hand wash, gentle, dry, flat. And they're suggesting a US needle 510. That's kind of a big range. I must be not understanding what they mean. So 375 or 6mm knitting needle, US E4 or a K, 3.5, 6.5. Oh, it's a range. Okay. So from an E to a K on the crochet hook, and from a 5 to a 10 on the knitting needle. This is lovely. This is lovely. Wow. Very, very pretty. Doesn't smell animal-y. Very, very pretty. And of course we get 2 of these lovely, luscious items. 2. You always get 2 in the box, which you guys know how much this stuff costs. It's phenomenal. And then the extra, they always give you a little extra. Isn't that cute? From Cat Trinkles. I think I've seen some of her shawl pins before. And I don't know what this is. It might be a shawl pin. It might be a needle, a yarn needle. That's what I thought it was a yarn needle, but it's kind of... Buttons and tools are lovingly designed, expertly crafted, and hand finished in our Rhode Island studio. Nice. Made in USA. I do not know what this is. I will go to her site and find out. It's pretty. I'm sure it's a shawl pin. I'm sure it's a shawl pin. She's got an Instagram and all that stuff. I'll put that information down below. I'm sure I've looked at her things before. Interesting. No idea what it is. But it, you know, it comes with that little, must be a needle, must be a yarn needle, because of that thing in the background that you'd stick it through. We'll find out. I will go online and find out, and I will put a note down below in the description what this officially is. So we've got whatever this is, and this delightfully beautiful yarn. You know, their yarns are just amazing. They really, really are. The quality is absolutely there on these things. No doubt at all. Knitcrate, Land and Sea. I'm curious now to see what the other colors were. I wonder if it's that green. Because last month my postcard had black. I think they called it slate. And then some other colors that I saw were a beautiful, I think they called it buffalo, but it was a deep burgundy color, which would have looked real nice in the design, because with the black you can't see the design when you're making it. But this is, I like this. If the other color is green, I'm glad I didn't get it, because, you know, not a huge fan of the green. This I love. This I love. This is a beautiful yarn, beautiful chain spun. It's a nice, did they say it was a DK? Sport weight. I think sport weight's supposed to be more of a DK weight. I think this is a solid 4. Yeah, I think this is a 4. I don't know. I will go online and look up that pattern and see what's the what about it. And that's it. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to keep getting these or not. I'm leaning towards no, just because I have several subscriptions coming in. And what I may do is stop this for now and pick it up again after I get done with a couple of the ongoing kit things that I got going on. So anyway, that's it. This, oh, did I say February? Doesn't really say February, but I'm pretty sure this is February. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the February knit crate. Loving it. Love it. Love it. See you later. Bye-bye.